Ready? Ready all of you? Good. Look at exercise 2, first question. Exercise 2, first question. A man earns 1800 rupees per month. A man earns 1800 rupees per month. What is his monthly income? And he saves 10%. 10% of what? 10% of it is given. Good one. Without concentration, you can't understand anything. This is not addition, subtraction chapter. It's percentage. So concentrate properly. He saves 10% of it. Already I have told you, whenever percentage will be given, percentage of something will be given. 10% of it means what? 10% of his income. So what is his monthly income, guys? His monthly income is, his income equals to 1800 rupees. Okay, okay, right? And his saving, it is given how much? His saving equals, it is given 10%, 10% of it. 10% of it means 10% of his income. And the question it is asked, you see, what is he saving only asked? How much does he save? How much does he save? So his saving is 10%. Guys, his saving is 10%. Then how much percentage does he spend? 90%. Or yesterday I told you in many questions. Yeah, once you answer, keep quiet. 10% he is saving, the remaining percentage is expenditure. Remaining percentage how to find? 100% minus 10%. 90% is expenditure. But in the question it is asked how much does he save us? So only saving amount we have to find out. That means 10% of 1800. Here 1010 cancel. This is our shortcut trick. Then 1 of means multiplication, right? 1 into 180. 180 rupees is his saving. This is your answer. Next, second question you see. Second and third questions are repeated, guys. Second and third questions are repeated. Let us jump to fourth question. Which one are repeated? Fine. Okay. Let us see second question, guys. What is, all of you see, what is 25% of 80 of 25% of 20? 25% of 80 of 25% of 80. See, let me write the question first, guys. 25% of 80 of 25% of 20, guys. All of you see now. See, first let us write this like this. 25% means 25 by 100 of बोले तो multiplication 80 of बोले तो into 25%. 25 by 100 of means into 20. Right? Clear all? Wherever of is there, we have to put multiplication. Wherever percentage is there, we have to write by 100. By 100. See now here. 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 20s are. Similarly, 25 ones are 25 fours are 4 ones are 4 fives are. Now whatever it is left, we will write 1 into 20 into 1 into 5. That means only 20 into 5 now. How much? It is 100. That's your answer. Is it the end option? Yes. Good. And third question is repeated, I think. Third question is repeated. Let's go to fourth question now. Fourth question is one important question, guys. See, question number 4. All of you look at the question, then I read the question. What is the percentage of rupees 72.90? It means, what is the percentage of 72.90 rupees in 270 rupees? In 270, in means out of 72.90 rupees out of 270 rupees. Acha, 72.90 rupees out of 270 rupees. How to write in fraction? I got 30 marks out of 90 marks. How to write in fraction? 30 by 90. Same like that, 72.90 rupees in 270. It means 72.90 rupees out of 270. How to write in fraction? But out of means by, only I have told you. Out of means by. So 72.90 in was the out of. Out of means by. Out of how much given? 270. And it is asked what is the percentage? How to convert this one into percentage? Fraction to percentage. What to do? Into 100%. Into 100%. Here guys you see simple calculation. Don't multiply. Don't cancel here. 72.90 into 100 how much? 72.90 into 100. Decimal point will move towards right 2 steps. That means 72.90 into 100 how much? 7290. Point moves towards right, no? How many steps? 2 steps. So point will come after 0. After 0 means no need to put the point. Yes or no? Stand coming. By, again what is that? 270. Here we can do the cancellation. But percentage symbol will come as this guys. Percentage is that. 0, 0 cancel. Can we cancel them by 9 table? What is the divisible rule of 9? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits here how much? Here. So both 18 and 9 are there in 9 table. I mean 18 and 9 are multiples of 9. Hence we can cancel by 9 table. In 9 table where is 27? These are. Now see all of you. In 9 table 7 is not there. 72 is there. 9 8s are 72. 9 left. 9 1s are 9. Can we cancel them by 3 table? How? Why? How can you say it? That is it. It means 81 is also divisible by 3. So we can cancel by 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Just a minute. 3 2s are 6. How much left? 2 left. 2 and 1. 3 7s are 21. So your final answer is 27%. See answer will be there. Got it? Now, next question. Question number 5 you see all of you. Look at the question everyone. The value of 15% of 4 rupees. Similar only. 15% of 4 rupees. See students guys. 15% of 4 rupees given no? Let me write as it is. 15% of 4 rupees. So let me write like this. This is the question. So how we are doing like this? Percentage means by 100. Of means multiplication bus. Let us write like that. 15% means by 100. Of multiplication 4 as it is. As I know. Options are given in what? Tell me. Options are given in. Sure. Options are given in decimal. Thus, so what to do here? Don't cancel. Tell me what to do. In since options are given in decimal, guys, and you can see denominator. Yes, denominator 1 with zeros are there. Then multiply as it is. We will get a fraction with the denominator 100, and that will be easy to convert into decimal. Some students what they will do? They will cancel here. 5 table, 4 table. No need to cancel because while solving the question, guys, once you see options are given in which form, decimal form or fraction form or what form. Okay. After that, you can apply your brain if you have. After that, you can apply your brain if you have. Do you have? Really? 2 to 1 only. Okay. So here, no need to cancel. 15 into 4, 60 by 100. 60 by 100 convert into decimal. 0.60 is your answer. It will be that easy. 0.60. Got it? Yes. Now, question number 6, you see directly conversion only. It is asked the percentage value of 0.375. It means if there is a decimal, we have to convert into. Then decimal to percentage, what to do? Yes. Already yesterday I told you 2% into 100. 2% into 100. Let it be decimal to percentage or fraction to percentage. We have to multiply by 100%. Are there? Properly. Don't play there. So 0.375, when we are converting into percentage, we have to multiply by percentage symbol. We are converting into percentage means we must put percentage sign here. Right. So now you see decimal number into 1 with zeros. What happens to the decimal point? Decimal point will move towards right. How many steps? It means in our answer, decimal point will come where? Where we come? After 7 or between 7 and 5. So your final answer is 37.5%. Decimal point will move towards right. Achha, why it will move towards right, guys? Multiplication. Since multiplication is there, decimal point will move towards right. If division with divided by 1 with zeros, decimal point will move towards left. How many steps? That depends on number of zeros. Number of zeros. So your answer is 37.5%. Getting all of you? Easy or simple? Not simple? Both. Both. It's near Adilabad. Okay. Question number 7 also direct conversion only. What is that? The fraction 7 by 10 is equal to. See guys, in the question it is not asked 7 by 10 we have to convert into what? But if you see the options we can say yes, we have to convert 7 by 10 into percentage. Fraction to percentage into 100%. Percentage symbol is compulsory. Huh? So 7 by 10 into 100%. Here we can cancel. 0, 0 cancel. Answer is 7 into 10, 70%. Move on, understand properly. Don't sleep there. Yesterday's problems, you just you have done addition and subtraction. What is this man? Is this addition subtraction chapter? Next, question number 8. All of you see there, guys. Here, formula will be applicable. Look at the question, all of you. You have to tell me which formula. You look at the question first of all. The cost of an article. The cost of an article increases from 50 rupees to 62.50 rupees. 50 rupees to 62.50 rupees. Pace card, that is wrongly given. Okay, when any amount is given in decimal form, we have to read that in rupees only. Okay, before that number you see no RS is there. RS means what? Rupees. Okay, so the cost of the article increases from 50 rupees to. Achha, here in this question, what is the original value? See, original value means what, guys? Now suppose, listen carefully, I bought a mobile. The mobile cost was 10,000 rupees and this last year, and this year it increased to 11,000 rupees. Means what was the initial cost? That is your original value. After increasing, what was the final? What is the final value? That is your final value. Final cost is your final value. Okay. So here, what is your original value then? Yes. Original value means original cost, guys. Here. Original cost was or initial cost you can say how much? 50 rupees and it increased to how much? 62.50 rupees. How much increase? How to find? 62.50 minus 50. This marker cost was 10 rupees last year. This year it became 12 rupees. How much increased? How you got 2 rupees? Now final value, final cost minus original cost or initial cost. 12 rupees minus 10 rupees. Similarly, here also the first cost was 50 rupees and then it increased to 62.50 rupees. Revert. Here it increased to 62.50 rupees. Therefore, how much increased? How to find? Increased how much? 62.50 rupees is your final cost minus original cost how much? 50 rupees. If you subtract, you will get 12.50 rupees. Imagine now 62 minus 50 how much? 12 rupees. Again 0.50 is there. 12.5 rupees increase. Then it is asked to see, it is asked then the increase percentage. Increase percentage formula. Increase value by original value into 100%. homeworks. Until you don't practice the problems, it will be problem for you in the class. You must do. Finish your notes. I won't spare you, remember. Okay? So increased percentage is asked. What is asked? Increased percentage. Therefore, increased percentage equals formula ND. Increase value one by one. Increase value. What is increase value? 12.50 by original value. How much? 50 rupees into 100%. Into 100%. Simple calculation. 51 ja 52 ja. See guys, 12.50 means 12 rupees athena. 12 rupees athena. 12 rupees athena into 2 means how much rupees? 12 rupees athena, again 20, 25. Very simple. See how simple calculation. 12 2 how much? 24. Athena 2 times 1 rupee. Athena 2 times 1 rupee. So 12.50 into 2 is 25. Then your increased percentage how much? 25%. Getting all of you? Any doubt? See, problems are very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Okay, just you should know some few formula and some basic things like if there is percentage by 100. Yes or no? When you are converting fraction to percentage usually, some basic things you must know. Already I have explained to you. Clear? And if you are getting any doubt repeatedly in every class, every day I am telling you, ask immediately. If you get doubt, immediately ask. Don't think that I will ask tomorrow. If I ask, sir may scold. In fourth one, 27%, no? Okay. See, okay, fine. Very good, very good. No problem. See, students, 27% answer we got. It is a whole number. If you put a point and write how many zeros you want also, the value never changes. Value is 27 only. Okay? 27, 27.0, 27.00, 27 point, how many zeros also value remains same only. Right? Yes. Trikuna, tell me what's your doubt. Sorry? Say loudly. What is that? 50 paisa. 50 paisa in olden days we used to say athena. You can ask your parents, they will tell you athena. 25 paisa, charena. Okay. Okay, na? So 50 paisa, 50 paisa. Okay, okay, guys, let me say the same in English also. 12 2 ja 24. 0.50 means 50 paisa. 50 paisa into 2, 1 rupee. 24 and 1 plus 1 hours, 25. Clear? Any doubts? No? Chalo, write out.